Oh.
Oh, you scared Grandma?
Said, Grandma, come here. Look at me in the car.
Grandma. Grandma.
Oh, Abby even came out to see you.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Now
Grandma
you
even
can
brought
see
you a
Sammy.
treat.
Yes. Yeah.
right now?
Don't get chocolate in your sister's car.
Oh, she'll get after you. You get
He'll
chocolate.
be so excited, honey. He'll probably drool.
Yeah,
Just
why don't you wait?
I'll just give him a little bite. A little bite right now.
Yeah, we gotta do that tonight.
A little bite.
We get him right after the shower, ready to go.
Say, good. What do you think about this beauty?
You like it in here?
Thank you. Aw.
You're welcome.
Good manners, buddy. Well, hey, this is gonna be a long video, so I'm gonna stop it. Okay.